Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by reproducing the problem in Studio Play mode so you can test changes immediately. This confirms whether movement is engine or script related. Next, inspect the character's humanoid, verify walk speed and jump power values, and ensure platform stand and sit are false. Then disable any custom control or input modules temporarily to see if built-in movement returns. Once done, make one small change at a time and rerun to identify the exact cause without introducing new variables. Now you focus on scripts that alter movement. You'll scan for walk speed assignments, move direction overrides, or direct C-frame manipulation, and replace destructive patterns with humanoid, move, or move direction updates. Make sure state changes use humanoid change state correctly and re-enable auto-rotate and default camera type when appropriate. Also convert risky event handling into debounced input, began /input ended logic to avoid stuck inputs. Once these changes are implemented, test movement transitions and animations to confirm smooth behavior across states. To finish, reintroduce custom controllers one module at a time and validate movement after each add. This isolates regressions. Make sure network ownership and remote event patterns don't block client movement. Client should handle immediate input and inform server, not wait for server correction. If players remain stuck, instantly reset humanoid root part C-frame, toggle collisions or platform stand, and reapply default walk speed. This often restores mobility. If problems persist, collect error output and replicate in a clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.